Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to put in a wood floor and not hurt your back. So this is not going to be a technical video on how to actually put in floor, it's just how to save your body from the wear and tear of doing home improvement. Okay, so here we're doing an interlocking floor. So we're putting this down in our place here. Now what we found is that when you put these things in, you really want to jam the seam in this way, but you see there's all these like little cracks and stuff, so you really want to force that thing in. So we can take a couple different strategies. Number one is if I push this stuff out of the way, I can almost do like a squat. I'm driving into this dolly right here to force through rather than rounding my back to do it. Or another strategy is that we go this direction. So now I'm just actually doing a pull, and if you remember what, I've done some videos on the front lever. We're basically driving this thing in like this, using our lats, the pec lat strategy, and then forcing it down. So I have to engage the torso really firmly right here to do so. So this is how I would suggest doing it. Obviously it's easiest to have two people. So remember, don't hurt yourself when you're doing your home improvement, because this stuff, you really want to get it done, and it takes a couple days and you can really hurt your back doing it. Now, if you have interest in more of these types of videos, how we're trying to apply stuff that you've learned over the year in this video series, then watch the video that's correlated. I've attached one directly for you. Take care. Talk to you guys tomorrow.